How to use SEMRush marketing analytics properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. SEMRush is an essential marketing analytics platform, yet beginners often mismanage it, missing critical insights that can boost traffic and ROI. You won't believe how much potential is lost when it's not used properly. The first mistake is ignoring keyword research depth. Many beginners only target obvious keywords with high search volume, but the competition is fierce. Use SEMRush to analyze long-tail keywords, search intents and keyword difficulty. For example, instead of running shoes, target best trail running shoes for beginners to attract highly motivated buyers. Another common error is not tracking competitors. SEMRush allows you to monitor competitor keywords, backlinks, and content strategies. Ignoring this insight leads you blind to opportunities where you can outperform competitors and gain market share. Beginners often misread SEO audits too. SEMRush audits reveal technical issues like broken links, slow pages or duplicate content, but beginners may not prioritize fixes. Focus first on issues affecting user experience and search rankings. Neglecting content optimization is another mistake. SEMRush's on-page SEO checker provides actionable recommendations to improve content for target keywords. Skipping these optimizations can limit your visibility and organic traffic. Finally, failing to use reporting and analytics properly reduces accountability. SEMRush allows custom dashboards and automated reporting for your team or clients. Tracking figures like organic traffic, backlinks, and keyword rankings ensures your marketing efforts are effective. To use SEMRush effectively, dive deep into keyword research, monitor competitors, prioritize SEO audits, optimize content, and leverage reporting. Avoiding these beginner mistakes maximizes SEMRush's power and helps you achieve measurable marketing results.